So today I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing a bait caster that I got from Dick's Sporting Goods. So stay tuned and let's go. Vámonos! Alright, so this is the box that it came in. Man, it's a pretty long box. It's about 9-10 feet. And it looks a little damaged, so man, I'm hoping the rod is okay. But let's open it up and see what we find. Alright, I believe it's open. No, we still got one more over here. Oh, would you look at that? It just popped out of it. Check it out, guys. So I opened it and there it is. First thing I notice is that it has one of these. Not really protecting the reel, but you know what? That part does not look damaged, so you know what, just a little dent here. Over here you have another piece of padding, and the fishing pole does not look broken. Okay, now let's review the pole. Alright, so here's the bait caster. The first thing you're going to want to do is check the bottom, the handles. Make sure they're not damaged. They look fine. Next thing is check your reel. Make sure it's spinning. Again, make sure it's not damaged in any way. Checks out. Next thing you want to do is check your pole. Make sure it's not broken or cracked or chipped. And yeah, this one looks fine. Then you want to make sure that your guides are not broken or not damaged in any way. But mainly, you want to make sure that the tip of your rod, the guide, you want to make sure this one is not damaged. Especially when it comes to shipping, you know. These could get damaged. You got to make sure they're not cracked or inside they don't have any objects that can mess with your line. So yeah, here's the bait caster from Dick's Sporting Goods, and it's in one piece. Alright, so there's the pole. So this is actually my first time ordering from Dick's Sporting Goods, and if I would have to rate them, I would have to give them a 7 out of 10. And the only reason why I'm giving them a 7 is because of the box. Because the pole came in one piece. It's all good. It's not damaged. It's perfect. So far, I haven't used it. But, yeah, I've ordered from Bass Pro Shops and Tackle Warehouse. And they actually send their fishing poles in a cardboard tube. It's like a 7, 8, or 9 foot cardboard tube for shipping, and it feels and looks a lot more secure than this box back here. But like I said, I'm not complaining. I got my pole, my bait caster combo, but I'm also gonna do a review on this fishing pole. It's a bait caster. It's an Garcia Max Ultra. So stay tuned for that. And yeah, thanks for watching the review, and see you guys next time. Peace.